tatanong lang pala namin. Kasi a few weeks ago, nag-tweet ang mother mo na may pinariringgan siya babae.
Sino kaya yun? Diba? Hindi ko alam.
May mga nagsasabi kasi na baka kayo daw po yun. Ano masasabi niyo?
Ako naman yun na pinaparinggan niya. Parang the story is so old, diba? I'm already of age, so it's the same story I've been hearing since I was 15 years old. So hindi na ako nag-bother.
Hindi ka affected pag may ganun moment?
Hinahayaan ko na lang. I think a mom will always be a mom, and in spite of my age, hiwalay na ako, nag-asawa na ako, may dalawa na akong anak, mahigpit pa rin siya. Parang siguro nga, ganun talaga yung mga nanay na kahit na matanda na, protective pa rin sa mga anak nila, especially since I'm the only girl. And then pag talagang sumusobra siya, I roll my eyes na lang.
But how are you and your mom right now?
I think I'm gonna go with
Actually, I have a request for the ones signed up. Can we all please
baka sa Mother's Day, padala ko siya ng flowers.
Please step to the right. There you all. I love you all. Thank you. Let's step to the right so that we clear a little pathway for your sex today. There you go.
Very easy, fun relationship.
One more step to the right.
Nobody should be bothered. Nobody should be affected na magpapakasal ako tomorrow. That's not part of the plan. So ang priority ngayon talaga to build up my brand. I just launched the Love Collection with Ramo Laurel and Lorena Venice, and then my perfume line, and then my book. So busy.
Hindi siya affected pag may mga ganong klaseng balita or...
Alam mo, mabuti nagpapasalamat ako na hindi siya affected. Kasi may respeto pa rin siya kahit na binabastos pa rin. Kahit binabastos na siya, wala siyang pake, may respeto pa rin siya. That's what I admire mo.